utterances objectively, and we interpret the same in light of the circumstances where the utterances was made, the manner in which they were spoken, the person to whom they were addressed, the relationship between the parties, and the reactions of the recipients of those utterances.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Witness. I have here with me yung binanggit mo niyo sa notes ko, yung 4 stages: identification and pag-preserve ng digital evidence, collection of evidence, analysis and attribution, legal evaluation, and then you have the 3 statements. Binanggit niyo rin tanggalin ulo niya, toxic relationship, and I always see myself cutting his head. Now, you also mentioned the factors considered: delivery, manner, literal meaning, nature of the instruction, relationship of the parties, and last but not the least, yung utterances na binanggit niyo doon sa October 18 and November 20. Last question, Director Lonto. Bukod po din sa authentication ng recordings, maaari niyo po ba sa amin ipaliwanag yung kung ano po yung mga naging batayan ng NBI sa pag-assess sa mga pahayag ng respondent? Halimbawa po, binabanggit po ninyo yung kakaibang bagay na nangyari dito sapagkat ang binabanggit niyo pong nagbibigay ng statement ay doon sa nakita nating video ay no other than our Vice President, no?
Yes,
So,
sir.
did her position, her access or authority naka-apekto po doon sa how your investigation was conducted?
Yes, Your Honor, as I've said a while ago during the direct examination, in the analysis phase, we consider the intent, the capability, and the motive. Kasama po yun, consider the fact that she is the second highest official of the land, and definitely she's capable of doing so. And then there is that motive in the sense na may mga issues na sila, galit na ang Vice Presidente, then na-trigger dito sa November 23.
And you would say it's not usual, the usual.
It's not the usual.
Thank you, Mr. Witness. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Senator Judge Villanueva. We will be pausing for a break, Senator Bang.
Mr. Presiding Officer, may...
What is the pleasure of Senator Judge Aquino?
No, just a point of order, Mr. Presiding Officer. May hiningi po kami sa defense na pagklaro. May we tackle this after the break. They have identified it in their team.
This in relation to their question earlier. After the others shall have been able to speak, Senator Judge Aquino, we shall be pausing for a break for 15 minutes. We shall resume on 4:44. 4:59 sana sasabihin ko eh. We shall resume at 5 p.m. When we resume, we shall recognize Senator Judge Tulfo, Senate President Gasolian, and thereafter Senator Judge